of no commerce individual, and she's trying to fool.
The National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a tornado warning for central Hockley County in northwestern Texas until 9:30 p.m. At 8:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northwest of Levelland, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Levelland and Opdyke West. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
Patriots PAC, Jake Harriman of those organizations pledged